everybody, today we're in a Ram 1500. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip angled mount number 855441. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First is that this mount does use some double-sided tape. You can see it as this blue covering under here. You'll want to peel that off before you attach the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it won't leave any marks or residue behind. Second thing is make sure you attach the mount to the dash before you attach anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now on this mount, there are two places it attaches. The first is this seam right here between this soft part of the dash and this harder piece of plastic here. And you're gonna take the included gap opener, and right here at the bottom where it starts to curve down, you just want to insert the gap opener just to open up this seam a little bit. Now we can take the mount and we're going to insert this side first onto the lip that's right here near the vent. You put that on, and then you want to press this side into that seam we just opened before. Once it's in place, you remove the gap opener and you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.